Welcome back to my YouTube channel at Rayleigh's Shoes. I'm so overjoyed to have you rejoin my community of number of subscribers, amazing viewers. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you're always in the loop with our latest videos. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to share even more exciting content with you. Following the initial batch back in May, Adidas Yeezy ushered in a drove of new releases and restocks right in time for back to school. And while several of these have sold out within moments, the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Granite seems to be readily available across both retailers and the confirmed app alike. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video revealed well before the three stripes severed its ties with Yeah. The Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Granite is one of the latest additions to the Silhouette's catalog. But though new, the colorway is certainly not at all unfamiliar, as its look is reminiscent of many a predecessor. Here, the prime knit upper is dressed almost entirely in the aforementioned gray, matching the adjacent laces, midsole, and lining. The stripe along the side, however, is painted a dark black, adding better visibility to the SPLY 350 text right over top. Enjoy another look at the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Granite right here. If you'd like to add a pair to your rotation, these are available on the Adidas confirmed app, as well as many of the retailers listed below. After Adidas parted ways with Yeah, formerly known as Kanye, in October 2022, the brand recently announced that it would start selling Yeezys again. While the order of upcoming Yeezy releases is still unknown, the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Granite is anticipated to release in the upcoming months. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. The sneaker features a gray prime knit upper with a slight green tint with the SPLY 350 stripe seen in black, made out of at least 50% recycled materials. Full-length Boost is featured in the cushioning setup with it encapsulated in a gray midsole and outsole. The Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Granite is set to drop August 9th, 2023 for $230. Check out the photos below, and for all the latest drop dates, head over to our Yeezy release dates page.